Employers often prize conscientious people. Their focus, organization, and discipline do well in the workplace. Yet, downsides exist. Working with conscientious people as problem solvers can be tough. They often hold true to standards. That means they think inside the box more than others. Why is that? It begins with understanding what conscientious means. It's motivation to focus on doing something well. The two key words are focus and well. Focus can become narrow-mindedness. Well can become adherence to rules and standards. To see how this translates into making the whole team better at problem solving, go to my post, Working Better with Conscientious People as Problem Solvers.